If you've been wondering about the ins and outs of withdrawing Payeer to bank account, then you're in the right place. So without further ado, let's get started. So to start the withdrawal process, head over to the balance section within your account. And once you're there, look for and select the withdraw option. So once you click on that, you will be prompted to enter the specific amount of funds you want to withdraw. So before putting the specific amount, it's important to note that Payeer has a set of minimum withdrawal amount that varies for different currencies. Now, when it comes to choosing how you want to withdraw, Payeer offers flexibility, so you can initiate withdrawals using a variety of fiat currencies and modes of funds. Users have the options to withdraw their assets into cryptocurrencies, make mass payments to other Payeer accounts, or transfer funds to bank cards like Visa, MasterCard, provided they are supported by the platform. Also, I just want to add that it's worth mentioning that Payeer enforces not only a minimum withdrawal amount, but also daily, weekly, and monthly withdrawal limits. While payments made within the platform are instantaneous, withdrawals may still take a bit longer, usually after a few business days. The exact duration depends on the chosen withdrawal method and other factors. And that's it. That's our detailed walkthrough of the Payeer withdrawal process. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.